in your nice handwriting, please. Good job. Okay, you will listen. You'll say the sentence back to me before we start to write it, okay? So everybody listen. Their feet are green.
Their feet are green.
Their feet are green.
Their feet are green.
All right, I'd like you to write that sentence on your paper. Their feet are green. Remember, there would be our there, that is our spelling word, or our high frequency word this week. Their feet are green. Where would we find that word in our classroom to help us, Gracie?
Up on the board.
Up on the board in the green. There. Their feet are green. What do we start our sentence with, Zach?
A capital.
A capital letter. What do we end our sentence with? Nobody remembers? What do we end it with, Megan?
Punctuation.
Punctuation. Either a period or a question mark or exclamation point we will use. Their feet are green. Pencil down and fold your hands if you're finished. Nice fingers. Their feet are green. All right, all time almost up. Everyone's almost finished. Pencil down and hands folded. I'll know you're done. You gotta face forward. Put your feet under your desk. All right. Eyes up here. We're going to check it. Their feet are green. There. Check your there. Their feet are green. Raise your hand if you made a mistake. Raise your hand if you got it all right. Very good. We have capitals and punctuation? Yes? Okay. Hands down. The next one. Remember, you're going to repeat it first. Do you see the family in the tree? This one's a longer one. Do you see the family in the tree? All right, write the sentence. Do you see the family in the tree?
There's two does.
There are two does. Very good. Do you see the family in the tree? We start with what kind of a letter? Let me get my sticks and I will ask you. What kind of a letter do we start with? Emma? What kind of a letter? Capital. What do we put at the end of our sentence, Tracy?
Period.
Period. Is she right in this one, Amelia? on LIBOR. What goes at the end of this sentence?
Question mark.
Question mark. It is a question. Don't forget your punctuation. Do you see the family in the tree? Pencil down and hands folded when you're done. Do you see the family in the tree? Now remember, family is one of our spelling words, so make sure you check the board to make sure you spell family correctly. Do you see the family in the tree? All right, eyes up here. We're going to look at our next one. Do you see the family in the tree? Raise your hand if you got them all right. Good job. All right, last sentence. Let's see how good you are. Are you ready? We also see their feet. We also see their feet. All right, where would we find the word we? Isaac?
Over the word over there.
Word wall, or where else could we find the word we? Isaac?
On the chalkboard.
On the chalkboard for our spelling words. How about also? Amelia, where would we find also? On the board right here. How about see? See. Zach, where would we find the word see? The spelling word right up there. And Joey. Joey, where would we find the word feet? What's that? Was that our spelling words over there or our high frequency words? What was over there? Over here, Joey. What's on the board? Right. Is that our spelling words or our sight words? We write it on every week on the board. Spelling words. Good job. So write this last sentence. We also see their feet. We also see their feet. Very good. Those of you who are finished and have your hands folded. We also see